In this aid, we will voice our own and market's viewpoint on Aptos' future while examining Aptos' cost gauge for 2023 and then some. Kindly remember that you want to think about this and some other expectation while considering other factors, since foreseeing anything is a difficult errand, not to mention foreseeing the fate of a novel, profoundly unpredictable monetary resource like Aptos. Presently, how about we head into it? Before we dig profound into the Aptos value forecast and answer questions on the off chance that Aptos is a wise speculation or not. For what reason will Aptos succeed or fizzle, or for what reason will Aptos value rise or drop? We should rapidly toss a look at what is Aptos and its to-date history. Aptos value expectation. The entire crypto world is on an edge of a total breakdown. Bitcoin has fallen 75% from its unsurpassed high in the midst of more extensive market declines brought about by seething expansion, and US took care of rate climbs. At the point when add the latest implosions of colossal industry players into the situation, the horizon is cloudy and there will be more blood in the city of the crypto town. Financial backers are selling hazardous resources and moving into additional steady business sectors. Crypto is as yet seen as an extremely unsafe play, and subsequently the auction. Our algo still sees some green in 2023, particularly in the second piece of the year. This is reflected in our 2023 expectations. At the present time, Bitcoin needs to find a base before we can move the other way and alter the course. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will begin to do likewise. We have seen this situation many times in the far-off and later history. Our cost expectation model is negative for the following 90 days, with a smidgen of a buyer market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2. We expect whales and other greater players in the market to wrap up filling their sacks around that time, which will cause a commonplace and unexpected crypto spike. Group made a cost forecast model with a multi-layered way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized examination and principal evaluation of each task. Basics that we assess are group tokenomics, use case, local area, advertising endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and speculative potential, and a few other restrictive elements created in our crypto lab. 2023-01-27 plus 6.86% $14 38 2023 01 28 plus 7.62% $14 48 2023 01 29 0.83% $13 34 2023 01 30 0.91% $13 33 2023 01 311.26% $13 29 2023 02 01 3.48% $12 99 2023 02 02 plus 1.43% $13 65 2023 02 03 plus 2.32% $13.77 Aptos value expectation 2023 high expansion and very perilous full-scale circumstance thought about vigorously. Bitcoin cost in 2022. At the point when we take the interior crypto issues with large players like FTX, Celsius, Explorer, Luna going down, 2023 isn't looking excessively really great for the bulls. We will likely see a ton of exhausting sideways cost activity with an inclination to slip lower with every minor market quake. Expectation model brings market opinion into a record and responds in like manner. The following is a month-by-month breakdown of the last a long time of 2022 and 2023. 2023 Feb 15.74% $11.34. 2023 Blemish 28.42% $9.63. 2023 APR 20.10% $10.75. 2023 May 14.63% $11.49. 2023 Gen 2.59% $13.11. 2023 Jul 0.53% $13.38. 2023 AUG plus 11.12% $14.95. 2023 SEP plus 19.67% $16.10. 2023 OCT plus 29.04% $17.36. 2023 NOF plus 27.70% $17.18. 2023 DEC plus 37.15% $18.46. 2024 JAN plus 48.50% $19.98. Aptos value expectation 2025. Our forecast model sees Aptos coming to $35.32 in 2025. What will Aptos be worth in 5 years? The cost of Aptos in 5 years could lie around $30.57. Aptos value forecast 2030 to 2040. What Aptos will be worth in 2030? Our estimating model sees Aptos coming to $88.30 in 2030. What Aptos will be worth in 2040? Our anticipating model sees Aptos coming to $176.61 in 2040. Will Aptos supplant, outperform, overwhelm Bitcoin? No, Aptos won't supplant or overwhelm BTC. Might Aptos at any point reach $1,000? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for Aptos to reach $1,000 in the short or mid-term period. Is Aptos worth purchasing? We are backers of reasonably hazardous money management. Put the majority of your crypto portfolio in BTC, 35% in a crate of large cap coins, and the rest in little ventures with gigantic potential gain. Along these lines, in this specific situation, Aptos merits purchasing. Is Aptos a wise speculation? Aptos is, very much like any remaining digital currencies, a hazardous speculation. It has higher likelihood of going up than down as a result of the great use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area, and a strong group behind it. What amount will Aptos be worth? For the transient future, it could reach $7.99. In the long haul, it could leap to $88.30 or considerably higher. For what reason will Aptos succeed and get more expensive? Aptos has a decent use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area, and a strong group behind it. These are an essential for progress, and for that reason our expectation model sees Aptos ascending to $88.30 in 2030. For what reason will Aptos come up short and drop in cost? Crypto projects fizzle in light of multiple factors. Probably the most widely recognized ones are: group denounces any and all authority and leaves the task. Controllers proclaim it unlawful and press trades to delist it. Absence of media consideration, more fruitful contenders. Absence of all-around plan promoting procedure. Losing local area support, likely weakness in the convention. Neglecting to accomplish expected least development movement on the convention. Neglecting to draw in new engineers to expand on their foundation. Indeed, it is conceivable that Aptos can reach $100, however, just in a far-off future, after 2030. How high will Aptos go? Our gauging model sees Aptos value detonating and coming to $176.61 in a far-off future. What is the transient expectation for Aptos? Aptos will reach $7.99 in the following 90 days, which is a 40.6% change over the ongoing cost, which floats around $13.46. Might Aptos at any point make you a mogul? Indeed, assuming you purchase enormous enough amount of it. Try not to hope to contribute $100 and become an Aptos mogul. However, 100x value blasts are a typical sight in crypto, so a $10K interest in Aptos could make you a tycoon. Aptos value expectation today. What will be the cost of Aptos tomorrow? Aptos will drift around $14.21 tomorrow. Will Aptos continue onward up? Aptos will continue to scale in 2022 and then some. It will flood up to $88.30 in 2030. When to sell and exit Aptos? That relies upon your exchanging profile. On the off chance that you trust in Aptos and think it has a brilliant future, holding the coin for essentially several years is really smart.